Hi everyone, today we're going to make a diffuser oil. I got this for Christmas, a diffuser oil, very cute. We're going to use sunflower, we're going to use a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, which I've already measured out here, so that's a 1/4 cup. And we're going to need some vodka. 2 tablespoons of vodka for the mixture. We're going to use myrrh today and frankincense. We're going to use 15 drops of each essential oil. So sunflower oil is a lighter oil and it travels better up the reeds, so for the scent. So I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of vodka. Mix that around a bit. And we're going to get the myrrh, 15 drops. Okay, 15 drops of the myrrh. And now the frankincense, 15 drops. Okay, 15 drops of that. And we're going to take our reeds. These are our reeds. And we are going to mix them a bit. Mix that in a bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that inside. Put the cap on. And there you go. We have our own diffuser oil for our store here at Venus Temple. Thank you. I will be making more videos and I can already smell the scent. It smells so beautiful. Thank you all for watching. See you soon.